Okay. Just applications of inductive, mesomeric, resonance, steric effect, hyperconjugation, and hydrogen bonding in acidic and basic characters of organic compounds. So I hope we know that one. Electron withdrawing groups increases, acidic character and basic character decreases. So
Yeah, sir.
electron withdrawing group directly proportional to acidic nature and inversely proportional to basic nature. And same thing you can see electron donating groups also. Electron donating groups directly proportional to basic character, inversely proportional to acidic character. And suppose here inductive effect plus or minus A effect, this is a distance phenomena with respect to benzene ring, ortho, meta, para, which is near to that group is there, that position is more effective. So inductive effect plus I or minus I, ortho position is more because that is near to the group. That's why ortho, meta, para. And resonance effect and hyperconjugation, they are operating at ortho and para positions, and both are equal. Both are equal. There is no difference. So, for example, plus same group is there. So they are showing resonance structures. I am getting negative charge at ortho and para only. At ortho and para, and both are equal. Same thing for negative charges also. Minus M group is present and benzene ring. They are showing these are the resonance structures, total 5. And here I am getting positive sign at ortho and para, and both are equal. So resonance effect operates at ortho and para, not meta position. So both are equal. And hyperconjugation also same thing. Is the resonance structures with respect to hyperconjugation. We can get ortho and para here also. So hyperconjugation also they are showing ortho and para, and both are equal. So out of 3 effects, a resonance effect is high priority, next hyperconjugation, next inductive effect. If 3 they are competing each other, we have to see here resonance effect is high priority. Next ortho effect, I think so we discussed, due to group present at ortho position, acidic character going to be effect. So due to this group,
So here we are giving more preference to steric effect than inductance, right?
yes, correct. So due to any group at ortho position, acidic character of benzoic acid decreases. So that is ortho effect because of ortho group only, not other groups. That's why they called ortho effect or steric effect.
Oh,
So
only ortho.
yeah, it can shown by only two, that is benzoic acid and aniline, not phenol. Phenol doesn't show because the small size group there is no steric entrance here, so doesn't show this is.
Okay, sir.
So due to ortho effect, acidic character increases. Due to steric entrance, so acidic character increases. Same due to steric entrance, H plus they can't approach here. That's why basic character decreases. Basic character decreases. So by using all these points, we are going to discuss here some applications. So I'm giving here with respect to phenol, we can check it, acidic character and basic characters. So I'm writing here OH. So OH, right here NO2. So question is which is more acidic character? That's the only question here. Which is more acidic character? 1, 2, 3, 4. So just try to identify.
So 2, 1, 3, 4,
2.
2, 1,
Okay. 3, 4.
3 and 4, I'm not sure, sir.
Okay. See, very simple. First we can identify
Electron withdrawing group. Okay.
This is can act as minus M as well as minus I. What about here? Plus I group as
Plus
well as
M.
hyperconjugation. Methyl, alpha hydrogens is there. And
Yeah,
what
okay.
about here? Minus I OMe because oxygen is more electron A2. Okay, as well as plus M. These have lone pair of electrons. If you remembered minus I
Okay,
minus
so
M plus M.
OMe will pull the electrons towards itself.
So which is withdrawing group means after donating H plus ions have an A2 charge here. After donating.
Also, OMe is withdrawing, sir.
No, minus I and plus M. Na? I wrote both na, here.
Okay.
OMe minus I because of oxygen is
But
more
can you
electron to
explain
the.
the OMe one once? I don't understand that. Like
Yeah, you
in
can see
detail.
here. This is oxygen. Oxygen and carbon which is more electron A2 atom.
Oxygen.
So minus I character. But it have lone pair of electrons. It can donate. That's why this plus M character.
Okay, sir.
Both will be there. Both. So which is withdrawing character is minus I character. Which is donating lone pair of electrons is back plus M character. Both
Okay,
will be
sir.
present. So first you have to write all the groups which is they are acting. And you know that one which is electron withdrawing groups increases acidic character because after donating
Yeah.
H plus ion, it can stabilize anion. So one is more acidic character. Clear? And next,
Sir, one or two?
sorry, 2. This is 2. NO2 content, which is NO2 content is more minus
Yeah.
more acidic character. Then these are plus M is dominate. I think so. Plus M means resonance effect only, no? Resonance
Yeah,
effect is
sir.
dominant, then hyperconjugation, then inductive effect. So this is dominating group. Plus M means least acidic character, electron donating group. Got it? Least acidic because plus M is a more electron releasing group. Electron releasing group inversely proportional to acidic character.
Yeah, sir.
Then you can do decide this is. This is a normal one. This is plus I group again. So plus I group decreases
First
acidic
one.
character. So I think so first. This is the order we're expecting. Got it? Yes, same thing. One more we are going to be explained.
So can you scroll up once a little bit?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah. Okay, sir, done.
Fine. Now one more very classical question. Number of time they ask this one. So write with respect to phenol. This is very classical question. And NO2 group. Even previous JE question. This is JE NEET they ask. Question is same. Which is more acidic character? So which is more acidic character? 1, 2, 3, 4. So similarly, we have to write same way, which is that acts as plus M, minus M, and everything. So this can act as minus I and as well as minus. Here only minus I meta position. Here minus I and plus M, minus M both. Got it?
Sir, why doesn't the third one show minus M? Oh, it's a meta position, so no
Meta
resonance.
position, resonance structure is already shown that one. If any minus M group present,
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Yeah.
fine. Now here answer should be which is more acidic 1 and 2 and 4 only more acidic because minus M is there.
Yeah, and two are the positions, so two is more.
And here supposed to be minus M is common because ortho and para both are identical. Na? Then next deciding factor is only inductive effect. Supposed to be. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Supposed to be ortho is more acidic character, but due to hydrogen bonding here, this is a little bit less acidic character due to hydrogen bonding. Is exception. Okay. Otherwise, always you can take Artha is the more acidic, but due to hydrogen bonding. So fourth is more acidic. Acidic acid is decided by only 2 and 4 finally. These two only anyone should be highest. In that case, supposed to be expecting 2 is more acidic, but due to hydrogen bonding, is acidic acid decreases. That's why 4 is more acidic character.
Okay, sir.
After 4, which is the second place, that's only. Okay.
Second.
Then
Then third.
then this is no group here, but minus I is there. That's why third. Next one. Got it? This is previous
Yeah, sir.
NEET and JEE question.